Is your 2010 Chevy Traverse refusing to start? Let's walk through the most common culprits to get you back on the road. Statistically, 7 out of 10 no-start issues in these vehicles are simply due to battery or terminal corrosion problems. Before you tow it to a shop, let's look at the logical steps to diagnose the failure point. Start by checking your battery voltage and ensuring your terminal connections are clean and free of crusty corrosion. If the battery is fine, listen for clicks from the starter or check if the fuel pump relay is engaging. If it cranks but won't catch, your crankshaft position sensor or the security immobilizer might be the culprit. You can easily handle relay swaps and terminal cleaning, but internal engine timing or ECU issues are best left to professionals. Repair costs vary wildly, so always start with the cheapest components like fuses and relays before replacing expensive parts. Use an OBDI scanner to pull any stored codes, which will save you hours of guesswork during your troubleshooting session. Make sure you have a basic toolkit ready, including a multimeter and a scanner, before you open the hood. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery cable before working on electrical components to keep yourself safe. If this helped you identify the problem, hit subscribe for more maintenance tips and keep that Traverse running smoothly.